So you're probably here because you just got done watching one of my cool reels that I do with AI, and I produce in one software, and I actually use another software that I attach it to that makes me money every single day, pays me every single week. And I'm going to be showing you guys this as a bonus. As long as you get the software, implement the software, you're going to get put into my AI Academy for free. This software does all the selling and telling for you. It's literally a money pit. It's literally something that you should be posting content and running people to. And anyone who wants to make money on the internet should say yes, especially when you see the price. The price to it alone is next level. It's the most smallest entry level you can probably get on the internet. And when you see how the pay works and you realize you don't have to be this person that sells 1 million products online, that's going to be another win for you while you learn. This is something I would be doing every day if I was 18 or older and I was starting online brand new. I would be doing this, running this, because these programs, who knows how long they'll stay around? Who knows how long you'll be able to post AI reels and they convert? Who knows? These are the things that you get in, scale up, and put your money other places, right? So I'm not going to waste any more time. I'm going to leave a single link below in the comments, not the comments, the description. You're going to check that link out. You're going to see the system. Well, you're going to see my video for one. Then you're going to get to the system and you're going to see exactly how it works. Soon as you put your email in, that's where the system starts. And this is exactly how it's going to work from you. Hope to see your name in my email because you just took advantage and you're ready to make money.